Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe to my channel. Well, today I'm going on another Rae Dunn hunt. I'm after some of those red shiny canisters. I have not seen a single one in any of the stores yet, so wish me luck, and let's go on this shop along with me and see what I can come home with.
Sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm off for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. 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 chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents. Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance, have a good time, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna
want to share with you guys what I got on my Rae Dunn hunt today. Now, I was so surprised when I walked into the Marshalls by my mom's house. This was Sunday morning around 10 o'clock, and I thought for sure there would be nothing in the store because guess what? The day before was Saturday. I thought for sure the shelves would be wiped out, but I was pleasantly surprised when I walked in there and found tons of canisters, all kinds of mugs. The shelves were full. I could not believe it. So I told myself I have to restrain myself. I cannot buy any more Rae Dunn. But of course, I had to get a few more mugs. I picked up about 4 of these. They say Merry Christmas. I don't have any of these that say Merry Christmas. I absolutely love these red shiny mugs. They are super shiny, and I thought, you know what? I'll use these for my coffee and my tea because the other mugs I bought, I'm using on my coffee bar, and I have a few out in the kitchen on display. And then if you haven't seen my tutorial on how to make these mug toppers, I'll link that down below in the description box below. I love making these. They look so cute in your displays. And I also made this one that has the gingerbread man on there with a little cinnamon stick. And then this one has the little peppermint. And you can find these little embellishments. I found the peppermint over at Joann's, and some of these came from Hobby Lobby. And then from that same store, Marshalls, of course, I got the big, fat, chubby canister that says ho, ho, ho. This is priced $19.99. I don't have a spot for it. The only thing I can think of is maybe this could go in my hutch out in my dining room. I'll probably make some room for it and put it out there. But I couldn't pass up not buying a canister. Well, I also found another canister. Now, this was on a completely different day. It was over at my mom's, and we happened to be over at TJ Maxx. And wouldn't you know, there was 3 of these Merry Christmas canisters sitting on the shelves. So, of course, I had to pick up another one because I told myself if there was another red canister that I found, I would love for it to say Merry Christmas. Now, this one was from TJ Maxx, and it's priced $19.99. And, of course, I don't know where I'm going to put these at, but I'm sure I'll find a spot. And then over there as well was peppermint mocha. Absolutely love this because I've been making a lot of peppermint mocha lattes lately, and now I have the mug to go along with it. It's red inside, it has the white lettering, and these are priced $5.99. And then also, I was also trying to find their hand soaps, and I came across the Merry Christmas one, and I absolutely love this because these are glass. And I know the ones that come in a set, you get the hand soap and the lotion, and they're plastic, but I like these because they're glass. And these are priced $6.99, and this one is the spiced cranberry scent, and this is going to go out in my kitchen. And then I found another one. Absolutely love this. It says Blessed. It has the little butterfly on there. This one's going to go in my laundry room on the sink. And I like it because it's the black top here, and it'll match my bra and fixture in my laundry room. And again, $6.99. And then over at, let's see, where was this? TJ Maxx, couldn't pass up the to-go cups. Absolutely love this with the little truck and the little tree in the back. And they have the little sleeves that say Merry Christmas on them. And these are priced $4.99. Love these. You can put your coffee or your tea and take them on the go with you. And then also at the same store, I picked up the plate and the napkins. Absolutely love these, again, with the little truck and the little tree on the back. So cute. Now, I think I'm going to use these for Christmas Day. I'm going to have my mom and my dad back over for Christmas Day. And I think I'm going to have a honey baked ham, and then I'll have my son and the grandkids over. So this will be perfect. I'll pull these out. Now, you get 40 napkins for $4.99. And then I have the matching plates. There's 16 plates, and these are priced $6.99. Actually, they're $5.99. I found this blanket. This one is super soft. It's the black buffalo check. It says, let it snow. And this is perfect because in my guest bedroom, I have a little black and white flower printed comforter. So I thought this is perfect. I'll set this right on the side of the bed and use that. And like I said, this is priced $24.99. And then before I picked this up, I had a friend find this one for me. This is in green. And this is also priced $24.99. Now this one says 'Tis the Season. And you know what? I think I should keep the green one. And then I was thinking, you know what? If for Christmas somebody would watch this video, family member, and they could get me a blanket ladder that could go out in my living room, a farmhouse blanket ladder, and I could add some Rae Dunn blankets to it. That would be perfect. Well, before I end this video, I want to take you into my office. My husband said he has a surprise for me. He has a little package sitting on my desk, and he thought that you guys would appreciate if I went in there and opened it on film. I think it's Christmas related, so he said he wanted me to open it up early. So let's go into my office and see what he got me. Well, I'm back here at my office. My husband said he's not a good gift wrapper, but he put it in a Bath & Body Works, and he assured me it has nothing to do with Bath & Body Works. So let's go inside this bag and see what he got me. All right, I guess this is a mask. Let me see. What does this say? Let me open this up. This is pretty cute. Oh, this is cute. This one says Merry Christmas. That's super cute. I love it. The little peppermint and the little red rhinestones on there. It says Merry Christmas, if you can see that. And let's see, what else is in here? I hear something that's making noise. Oh, this is super cute. I'm stuck. Okay, I think it looks like a candle. Maybe I'm wrong. So it's in this little silver box here. It's glittery. It's got a little farmhouse truck on there. There's a little tree. So let's get inside the box and see. Oh, yes. Very cute. It's a to-go mug. If you can see that, it's got the little dog on there. It's got the little truck. Super cute. Let's open it. I don't know what's rattling in here. Is it supposed to rattle? What's that?
That's a topper for your straw.
A topper for my straw? How's it work?
Well,
Okay, he's behind the scenes because he's watching me open this. This is, let's see.
straw goes
Are
to
you-
the center of it. No.
No?
You put the lid back on it.
So he's telling me to put the lid back on
Right?
this.
And then the straw would go inside the little opener. You'd open it up, flip it over.
Flip this over.
You'll
You'll have to do it because I don't use travel mugs.
For your
So
coffee.
huh?
So your coffee, so you can.
So I am. I'm gonna. Oh, this is really pretty. So I probably need to do a little close up for you guys, but it's like,
It's your little farm truck.
yep, my little farm truck with a tree. It's got the little dog on there. It's snowing out. It's real glittery. It's really cute because this one's long and slender. And he'll have to show me how to use this, but apparently it goes on the little travel mug and you put your straw in there. So I'm super happy. So I've got to make some coffee and I am going to go get my hair cut today. So perfect. It's freezing out. I think it's about 60 degrees. It's not getting any warmer today. So I think I'll make myself some coffee, go get my hair done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and liked all the Rae Dunn stuff I found in my stores. So until next time, happy decorating.